Hello students, today we are going to discuss a topic which is related to the velocity selector or velocity filter. Now what is a velocity selector and a velocity filter means? Velocity selector or the velocity filter is a setup which is mainly used to select a certain particular velocity, which is mainly used in the labs for to study a certain charged particles, okay, of a particular velocity. Like suppose if I consider the definition is given here. So the velocity selector is a setup to select charged particles of a particular velocity from a beam passed through a space having cross electric and the magnetic fields. That means you have to pass the charged particle of a beam of a charged particle through a cross electric field and a magnetic field. Cross electric field and magnetic field means that you are placing the electric field and a magnetic field perpendicular to the each other. Like if you see one half of the part of the diagram I have already drawn. दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव प्लेट, ठीक है, ये एक पॉजिटिव प्लेट है और नीचे वाला जो प्लेट है एक नेगेटिव प्लेट है. तो अगर कंसिडर करें, अगर यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का जो डायरेक्शन होगा, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन ऑलरेडी हम लोग को पता है कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव एंड एंड्स एट अ नेगेटिव. सो इट विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव, it will be directing towards the negative. So this is the direction of your electric field. Clear? So this is the direction of the electric field. Then same way, if I consider the direction of the magnetic field here, the direction of the magnetic field, which is I have already told that cross means perpendicular. So the magnetic field is directing in this way. This is the direction of the magnetic field. The cross means that the direction of the magnetic field is towards the downwards direction. Now suppose if I consider a beam of charged particle. Suppose we are passing a beam of charged particle from this side. Okay, this is a beam of charged particle. Like suppose if I consider that if I take the beam of charged particle as a positive charged particle. So when we pass a beam of positively charged particle, when you suppose if there is only electric field, then what will happen? We know that a positive charged particle always tries to align the direction in the direction of electric field. Clear? So the electric field will make the charged particle, that is a positively charged particle, to move in the downward direction because of the electric field. Okay, because of electric field, the particle will be moving in downward direction. Same way, there is not only electric field, there is also magnetic field is also there. So if I consider magnetic field, because of the magnetic field, so what we have to use a Fleming's left hand rule. So if I use a Fleming's left hand rule, that is force, field and current, and I know that, or obviously you also know that the direction of the charged particle, that is a positively charged particle, is the direction of current. That means the current is directing towards this side because this is a beam of positively charged particle. So the current will be directing towards that side. Okay, this is the current direction, and magnetic field is acting towards inside. Okay, this is the direction of the magnetic field. You can see my thumb. The thumb is pointing towards the upwards direction, and that is nothing but a magnetic force. That means a particle will be moving in a upward direction. So because of the magnetic field, it will be moving in a upward direction. Clear? So now because of the electric field and the magnetic field, if you put a charged particle inside, either it will be moving towards upward direction, either it will be moving towards a downward direction. But we need to study that charged particle. तो उसको कैसे क्रॉस करेंगे? तो उसको क्रॉस करने के लिए हम लोग को करना क्या होगा कि जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का जो फोर्स है, उसका वैल्यू क्या होना होगा? उसको वैल्यू होना होगा इक्वल. तभी वो चार्ज पार्टिकल वो क्रॉस कर सकता है, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का फोर्स जो होगा वो दोनों को कैंसल आउट करेगा. तो वैसे क्या होगा, जो चार्ज पार्टिकल, जो बीम ऑफ चार्ज पार्टिकल जो एंट्री होगा टुवर्ड्स अ क्रॉस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, वो क्रॉस होके चला जाएगा. ठीक है, तो we can calculate the particular velocity from here. Now we have used a condition that particle will be crossing the crossed fields if force experienced by the electric field, that is Q into E, and the force experienced by the magnetic field, that is QVB. I have considered the Q as a positively charged particle only. Now, because of this, I can consider that this Q and this Q will be getting cancelled, and I can consider that V will be equals to E by B. So this is the equation of the particle through which we need to project the beam of positively charged particle. Then only it will be crossing the cross fields. If suppose the value of the E by B, that is V is equals to E by B, if it is less than E by B, then what will happen? That particle will never cross this cross field and it will be not reaching the screen. This is last part is a screen. Okay. Now, if I put a charge particle greater than E by B also, then it will be crossing the magnetic field, this cross fields, and if it is equal also, then it will be crossing the cross field. But if it is less than, it will be never crossing the electric field or the cross electric field in a magnetic field. So this is the particular velocity with which we need to project. Okay, and this is the main working principle of the velocity selector or the velocity filter. So in the next class we'll be discussing some topic related to the more with the magnetic field, some laws we'll be discussing. Okay, so this much for today. We'll be discussing more in the next class. Thank you.